BMW Motorrad has unveiled the new R1300 GS Adventure, the most powerful version of its iconic adventure bike to date. This new model boasts an upgraded 1,300 cubic centimeters engine that delivers increased horsepower and torque, promising unparalleled performance for both on-road and off-road adventures. The R1300 GS Adventure is designed for the ultimate riding experience. Its engine produces a significant power boost compared to its predecessors, making it the most robust GS model ever. This increase in power ensures that the bike can handle the most challenging terrains with ease while providing a thrilling ride on highways and city streets. The bike's design maintains the rugged aesthetic synonymous with the GS series but with modern refinements. It features advanced aerodynamics, a more comfortable seat, and enhanced ergonomics for long-distance riding. The Adventure version also includes additional protective elements and storage options, making it ideal for extended trips. Equipped with the latest technology, the R1300 GS Adventure includes advanced rider assistance systems, improved suspension settings, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. These technological advancements enhance safety, comfort, and overall riding pleasure. The introduction of the R1300 GS Adventure reinforces BMW's leadership in the adventure bike segment. Its combination of power, design, and technology sets a new benchmark in the market, appealing to both seasoned riders and newcomers seeking a high-performance adventure bike. The BMW R1300 GS Adventure represents the pinnacle of adventure motorcycling, combining unmatched power with cutting-edge technology and superior design. It is poised to become a favorite among adventure enthusiasts, offering an unparalleled riding experience that is both thrilling and dependable.